Hi there, with the last video in this tutorial series. So, we finished a project with 2 scenes, music and a voiceover, and a few tweaks and edits. Now, it's time to turn this project into a video. If you go to the Publish button in the toolbar, you will find all the options for creating video files and sharing your scribe. You'll have access to slightly different options depending on if you are using a free trial or if you hold a subscription. If you're on a subscription, you can click this box and add your own logo as a watermark. And if you change your mind, you can always remove it again. This option is Publish to PowerPoint. It will turn your video into a PowerPoint slide, so if you want to, you can build a slideshow around it or add it to your presentation. This next one lets you publish your video directly to Vimeo. You can name it, add a description, and log into your Vimeo account and post it to your channel. If you've subscribed, you can get the extra option of being able to publish your scribe onto show.co, our online video sharing platform. You can choose to publish it as a public, private, or unlisted video, and you'll get a link that you can send to people to share it. Show.co will then create that video for you, and that can be downloaded in MP4 format, and you'll get an email when it's ready to be viewed. And finally, this button lets you create a video file and save it locally to your computer. You can choose from a range of formats and quality settings. If you're on a free trial, you can choose MOV and WMV. And if you're on a subscription, you'll get these extra formats too. On your free trial, you can publish with the video quality up to 640, but with a subscription, you can go all the way up to 1080 Full HD. And you can get a higher frame rate. Then just name your video and choose where to save it. Now we have created a scribe with audio and animation effects and published it as a video. That brings us to the end of our tutorial series. Thanks for watching, and we hope that you enjoy making unique, engaging and professional animated videos with Videoscribe.